you guys are going to learn all about what to do in your pre-launch of your book, what to do with your launch, and post-launch. So there's quite a few steps. I want you guys to have your pens and papers out. I want you to be taking notes because there are a bunch of steps that I want you to be implementing, and I don't want you waiting to the last minute to do it. You're going to hear me say this through and through, but I want you guys to be prepared and start planning for everything now. Now you're in the beginning stages of your book. You're going to get into building relationships with the right kinds of people. You're going to think about the media. You're going to think about other relationships you can have. You're going to think about affiliates. You're going to think about what organizations you can be in front of to promote to. You're going to think about what if you're not in town and you're out of town. There's so many things that you're going to think about in order to really get the most exposure for your book and your business and, of course, yourself. So let's get to it.